guys, welcome back to the channel. And the thing is that the iPad Pro looks very similar to the iPad first generation. Unfortunately, both me and Tech5, we do not have the older iPad first generation. So today we'll be beginning a small hunt with a couple of my friends who own some shops back in downtown Los Angeles and some other places. We're calling them up. Let's see whether they have the iPad first generation or not. iPad baby generation. The first generation нужно нам. Сегодня нужно. Да. Нет? Нет. We don't. So Alex doesn't have in his store. So let's call another guy. Hey, Rebel. তোমার কাছে ফার্স্ট জেনারেশন আইপ্যাড আছে? ওকে ঠিক আছে, আমরা আসছি উইদিন লাইক 30-35 মিনিটস।
একটা সাপোর্টই কাজ করবে, সেটা হচ্ছে সে এখনো পাবনা জেলা আওয়ামী লীগের শহর।
And the crazy part is that he's got a first generation Apple TV still lying in the shop. Hey, River.
Yes, how are you? How is everything?
Hey, bro, remember we talked over the phone about an iPad first generation?
So the iPad, the first
First
generation one,
generation.
that's the real one,
The
right?
real one. I don't need any fake. I want the original first generation.
Yeah, I think I can manage you.
Can you? Because like really, I want to do a comparison between the iPad Pro, the latest one,
So you're gonna compare iPad Pro and?
the first generation iPad.
Okay.
You have one?
So yeah, let me get you that one.
You're getting it, guys. Let's see.
Where is that one? The real one?
Okay. Yeah, that's the one, man.
Oh,
yeah, guys, you have to make sure you wipe it down.
It's been lying there for a long time.
Yeah, it's like I just kept it.
Whoa.
Because this is one of the original one.
Okay.
See this?
So you are like,
It's like 16 gigabyte.
dang, bro.
It's gonna be shining. Like you just
Yeah.
need to wipe it down. Just. Yeah.
Alright, thanks for coming, man. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
So, thanks to Rebel at first for finding that iPad, and a couple of phone calls here and there, we finally found the first generation iPad. This is the first generation iPad, and the reason of this video you guys will understand right now. As you can see that in front of you, this is an iPad Pro 11. So just take the pencil off, and if you see this is a Face ID unlock and all that stuff, right? How identical is this? Let's go ahead and look at the first generation iPad. So this is the first iPad ever made. First generation iPad. Look at that. After so many years, I think 2010 was when it was launched. You can see there's a little bit of gap between the screen and the digitizer panel. While this is more plush, screen actually sits more closer. So yeah, definite improvement in the screen and display. Except for this hunch that the iPad first generation has, the iPad Pro is identical in width. Identical. They have the same width as that of the first generation. So basically same bezels. So basically what it means that the Apple Pencil, if the iPad first generation is to fit, would have fit like this. Look at that. It fits in the same way as that of a first generation. Crazy? That is crazy, right? So basically after so many years of innovation, Apple went back to Steve Jobs' original idea about the first generation iPad. Look at this place carefully. At this place, same bezels, same curvature, Both of them has the same curves. So basically, this is what Apple did. They didn't put a lot of effort in the casing. They had this construction long time back. What they did put effort on was a new camera. They made 102 magnets, so the magnets is out here, and they made a magnet on this side so that you can put the Apple Pencil. And this whole iPad Pro kind of a design was not recreated. It was a design which Steve Jobs had originally done on the iPad, and they had to bring this form factor back. Measure app is not accurate, but then also we can use that to see the thickness on both of these. And a little bit of, okay, we'll add the point from here to here. So it's half inches, okay? Let's see, you can see half inches. Okay, so it's facing a little bit of problem. Okay, what's this? Half inches if you're looking edge to edge. Yeah, so if you see like from all the way, the newer iPad is a little bit taller compared to the older one. So the older one is wider. So they changed the aspect ratio more and like pushed it towards 16:9, and that's for more for doing videos and stuff like that. So this is how innovation happened maybe. But if you're getting nostalgic, watch what this iPad has. A 3.5 mm jack. By thickness, they remind you of the same thickness between both of them. Same. There is no difference between these two iPads as dimension. That's the reason I went out, searched for this first generation iPad, because this new iPad made me remind of the first generation iPad and the similarities. You guys decide and comment below what do you think. Did everything change, or it was some tweaks here and there? And also do comment that did Apple come far away from Steve Jobs' idea, or they're still sticking to what that guy taught the company. See you guys next time in the channel.